Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal energy check-in for the month of October 2025 for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising. It's not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for the same tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing session, check out the description box. You will get the details. Those of you who want to become a tarot life coach, they can join my intensive 4 months training, and the classes will start from January itself. The fees is 60,000 for Indian people and 1,000 USD for others. So you can mail me on tarotanjali at this gmail at the gmail.com for the same if you want to. Okay, let's start. The overall energy for Libra people for this month. So we have the Judgment card. The overall energy here is of letting go of lot of people, situations, and things that are still bothering you. In the in the original Rider Waite tarot deck, it's like the card of forgiveness. In this particular deck, the energy is of releasing and freeing your soul. Okay, your soul might be feeling trapped in some situations, in some conditions, and you are trying your best to get out of certain situations where you are not feeling happy anymore. So this whole month is going to be the energy of letting go of certain people, situations, or things out of your life, out of your system, and freeing your soul from the heavy and burdensome kind of energies. And forgiveness is going to be there. Yeah, energy of forgiveness and letting go is going to be your overall focus in this month. Let's see the recent past for you guys. We have the Nine of Pentacles. So in the recent past, you guys were very focused on your money, job, career, your finances, your independence, and your freedom, and you were trying your best to work on yourself as much as you can. Okay, super busy in creating your own happiness, in creating your own good life, good energies, good vibes. Currently, we have the Nine of Swords. Right now, something is bothering you and keeping you stuck in your head. Something is kind of making you anxious, especially at night. Some kind of insomnia, some kind of anxious thoughts or depressive energies are keeping you up at night. Let's see by the end of this month what we have for Libra people. I'm going to do the energy check in once again in the mid of the October month. Let's see what's happening. Two of Cups. Okay, some kind of connection, some kind of soulful energies, a soulmate kind of dynamic. Now, soulmate can be anyone. It can be a friend. It can be our family members. It can be siblings. Oh God, I got scared. Yeah. So let's clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear story for you guys. Libra, let's clarify the Nine of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys, honey. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, and the Death card. So there was a stressful energy around you. There was a stressful ending, separation, breakup, something fell apart. So you were trying to fix something. You were trying to fix a collaboration, a partnership. You were trying to come together or come back together in a particular situation. And you were trying to fix something with all of your heart and soul. But it ended. It didn't work out. The more you were trying to fix it, the more it was going out of your hands and it was giving you a very stressful kind of energy. That's why you felt like you should just end this chapter for good and you should take care of yourself. You should just focus on yourself. Okay, so some kind of ending in your life in a particular collaboration or partnership or teamwork kind of forced you to come back to yourself and start working on yourself. Okay, I'm missing my rings. I was cooking and I kept them somewhere. Okay, currently we have the Nine of Swords. Let's clarify this. What is stressing you so much? Can't stop thinking negative about a situation. Yeah, Libra, what's happening, honey? Let's see. We have the Sun card, the Knight of Cups, and the Two of Cups. You know, you're not getting the proper clarity and you're not getting the proper understanding of a soulful connection. This is something that's very, very close to your heart and soul. It's either you feel like going towards somebody, asking for forgiveness, and making an offer of peace and love and starting from the start, because this is something that you are not able to let go of even if you are trying your best, and you're kind of doing it from quite a long time now. This is not like a very recent kind of thing, right? For others of you, it's vice versa, that you might be not able to like let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, or you're not able to like bring them back in your life because you're waiting for them to do something about the situation. This is something super super important for you. That's why you are not able to detach, you're not able to let go even if you want to, because it's kind of making you feel anxious all the time when it's not there. You're not able to figure it out, you're not able to let it go, and that's the stressful energy. And you're not sure what's going on the other side and what's going to happen next in the situation. Now it can be friendship, it can be connection with your parents, it can be connection with the romantic partner, it can be your job career, or job career or financial things that you are having a troublesome connection with, relationship with. Take it how it resonates with you. Not every reading is for a romantic lover. A lot of us are obsessed with those things, those readings. Okay, so just a gentle reminder. Let's clarify the Two of Cups by the end of this month, October 2025. We have the King of Swords, the Ace of Swords, the Queen of Wands. Libra, finally you are going to get the clear cut message, communication, understanding of what this connection is like going to bring next in this chapter of life of yours. It's like some kind of manifestation is coming to fruition, especially the manifestation of gaining the clarity over a particular situation that you're not able to manage, that you're not able to handle. Neither you're able to let it go completely, nor you're able to bring it back together in a positive way. So by the end of October month, you are going to be very, very clear cut on this path of this is what I want and this is how it should be. It's like your manifestation game is going to be on, and you will be able to get the proper clarity and understanding of what you are going to get next out of this situation, out of this bonding, out of this connection, and or what you should do in this direction. Right now, you are feeling like trapped in a situation where you're not able to do anything about it because of whatever reasons you're not able to move forward, you're not able to go backwards, right? By the end of this month, you are going to be like in this energy of this is like enough is enough, now I have to do something about it. And there is going to be an aha moment. You're going to be like, okay, this is what I have to do and this is how I'm going to do it, and you're going to do something about it. It's like the proper energy of doing something about a situation that's very, very close to your heart and soul, and bringing some kind of manifestation uh, uh, into the 3D world. I'm not getting the exact word here, Libra, but you are bringing some kind of manifestation to fruition here by taking some kind of action, and it's going to be sharp, clear, cutthroat. This is what it is, and this is how it should be. Okay, cool. For you, the guidance here is the Four of Swords. Yep. For you, the guidance here is the Four of Swords. So, whatever you are trying to do here, whatever you are trying to achieve here, there is a certain kind of impulsiveness here and stubbornness, Libra, in your actions, in your thoughts. You guys have to be a little bit slow, and you have to think a lot before taking any kind of impulsive action in any direction. Just give me a second, honey. Okay, I'm having some cough attack or something, I don't know. So yeah, before making any kind of impulsive choice or before taking any kind of impulsive action or passionate action in any direction, think about it 100 times. Okay? Because this impulsive or this wearing your heart on your sleeves kind of energy can give you a little bit of instant gratification or instant illumination of light on your path, but this is not going to survive, this is not going to stay longer if not taken care of with the stable and focused energy, that's the thing that you have to take care of. Okay, let's see the final guidance for you from the oh my god, from the angel oracles. Let's see what we have. We have, you have invested wisely. Till this time you have invested wisely. You might be stressed out because you're not able to figure it out, but you are being patient with the situation and you are achieving that patience, right? Have patience and wait for the harvest. Have patience and wait for things to settle down properly. Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. So, before again, until unless you are going to be 100% sure that whatever you are going to do is going to have certain kind of consequences or pros and cons, and you should have a proper understanding of what is going to happen next or what can happen next by this action of yours, then you can move forward. Hmm? Because till this time you are being extremely patient with yourself, and losing your patience might not give you the kind of results that you're hoping for. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to be a disaster, it's going to be end of the world or something, but it's going to be something that might again give you some kind of happiness for some time, but then again then again it's going to fall apart. That you have to take care of. Okay, keep that in mind. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.